Ever wanted to build a story-driven game set at a real heritage site? A castle? A museum? Or perhaps just in your local town, without ever writing a line of code? That is exactly what LUTE is intended for. Welcome to LUTE Labs. In this episode, we discuss what LUTE is and why we built it. LUTE stands for the LoGaCulture Unity Toolkit, or Engine. It's a Unity-based tool for designing narrative-rich, location-based experiences. It's built around a node-based structure, which allow new mechanics and components to be added quickly and easily. The goal is to empower storytellers and game designers to create engaging narratives at historical sites and heritage locations. And because it's free and open source, it's designed to lower the barrier to game development for people who don't have a coding background. So let's zoom in on that node-based structure for a second. A node in LUTE isn't just a single action. It's a whole moment in your story, a scene, an interaction, a beat. Inside that node, you stack orders, like dialogue or choice, and they typically run in a sequential order. Compare that to something like Unreal's blueprints, where every single command gets its own node, and the graph can turn into quite a maze. LUTE keeps the big picture readable because the granular stuff lives inside the node and not scattered across the canvas. You can think of nodes as scripts or classes, and orders as methods that live on that script. LUTE grew out of research on the LoGaCulture project. It takes inspiration from tools you may already know: Twine, Fungus, and Inform. But where those tools are built as narrative first, LUTE is built as place first. Locative and XR experiences are baked into the heart of LUTE. Right now, LUTE is aimed at Unity users, from beginner to advanced, who already know their way around game design, especially anyone who loves story-driven work. It is a visual scripting engine, however, so you don't need to be a Unity wizard, but some Unity experience is recommended. Down the line, the goal is to open it up further, so people with even less technical experience can build historical and location-based games too. And here's the part we're most proud of. LUTE is, and always will be, free and open source. There's no paywall and there's no catch. Right now, you can grab the source, file bugs, suggest features, or you can just poke around on GitHub if you don't want to commit too much. This is just episode 1, the orientation flight for LUTE. Next up is a feature tour, then we'll get hands-on with installation and creating your first project. You don't need to watch these videos in order, but later ones do build on what we cover early. So if you're brand new, starting here is likely a good bet. Thanks for watching with LUTE Labs. Subscribe for the rest of the series, and if you want to dig into the docs right now, the link's below. Thanks, and see you in the next one.